Okay, now come out. Guard bird on duty.
Ah, yeah, that move on you did back then. You're like, what the fuck?
Watch your language. Oh, I thought she'd go.
Hey, sweetie pie. Go see daddy. Go see daddy.
Like I said, I wouldn't do it. She's all plumped up.
I don't think so. I don't think so. He pet you? Huh? Daddy pet you? Yeah, daddy pet you. Daddy pet you. Daddy pet you. Hi. Hi. Hello.
Watch her.
You think you're a sneaky bug, don't you? You think you're going to be all polite then attack the hell out of me?
Can't help it, she's so funny.
Oh. With that, I get you.
Guard bird on duty. That's what she is. She's protecting mommy. She's so funny.
Sure enough protecting you, I tell you that.
Here she comes. Oh, she had your shoe.
You got enough film?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. Well, then, I think take this. Ow!
She wants you out of the living room.
Me?
So I did my job. Okay. He's out of the living room. What? Yeah? Good, Sammie? What? You pretty girl? Pretty bird? Huh? What? You're just mumbling. Say something. Say hello. Say hi, Sammie. Good girl. Hi, Sammie. Hi. Hello. Hi. I love you. I love you. Hello. What you looking at? Huh? Hi, Sammie. Hi, Sammie. Hello. Pretty girl. Hi, Sammie. Hi, Sammie. Hello. Hello. Hi, Sammie. Hi, Sammie. You done? Are you done? Hi, Sammie. Pretty girl. Hi, Sammie. Got me trained, don't you? Okay.